What's up viewers, Sajin here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video of Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this time I'm back with an iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So as you can see here, on the right we have the 11 Pro and on the left we have the 11 Pro Max. And both of them have been opened before for installation of tempered glass. So this video is sponsored by Chris Matthews and Danavush. Thank you guys. The only difference between them usually is the size. As you can see here, it's a 5.8 inch 11 Pro and a 6.5 inch 11 Pro Max. But back and front both are same. But when compared to the last year, we have the back with triple cameras, but the front the same from the last year, the same notch. So they didn't do anything about the notch, so it's same again. And for the brick, finally Apple has given us a 18-watt brick that comes in the box instead of 5-watt brick. But sadly, the 11 comes with 5-watt brick, which is not fair, but let's leave it. The 11 Pro is an upgrade of the last year's iPhone XS, and the 11 Pro Max is an upgrade of the iPhone XS Max. So if you go for the design, this year's iPhone models, especially for the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, has a matte finish on the back and the camera cutout is a glossy finish. It's all done in a single piece of glass, and Apple claims that this glass is the toughest glass right now built in any smartphone. The design is cool, the matte finish is awesome, but still it's kind of slippery in the hands. You can adjust that with a skin or a case, and definitely going to buy a skin or case for this kind of price tag. And for the cameras, right now the main selling points of the Apple, and I would say that is the best camera right now you can get in any smartphone. The cameras are stunning, both the videos and photos are great, and as usual, an iPhone clicks are always same than what we see with our eyes. And that's some kind of cool feature that I love with the iPhone. When you compare with other smartphones, what we get too much software in it, and the picture that we see, originality has been lost. But the iPhone gives an original picture what we see from the eyes, and that's one of the best thing I love with the iPhone. And if you go for cameras, there's triple cameras for this year's fashion. You have ultra wide angle and telephoto lens. So one thing I love so much is that it's very easy to switch between the lenses, same like the Samsung, but this time it's kind of cool. So that's it. If you love the video, thumbs up and subscribe, and next video will be a comparison between the Note 10 Plus and the camera of the iPhone.